Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video we are heading back to HomeGoods because they put out more spooky decor. If you are new to this channel, I like to give close-ups of the items, and I also try to give prices because that's one of the things that I like to see watching a video. If I see something, I want to know, ooh, how much? So that's what I try to provide you with on my channel when I do walkthroughs. Also, there is going to be a lot of things that I do not show in this video, and that is because I did a previous HomeGoods walkthrough. It was my last video that I uploaded. So if you are interested in anything else that you see that I didn't show in this video, I will pin a link in the comments down below if you want to check that video out. Alright, so we have this skeleton candle holder, and I was so excited to find this guy. He went right into my cart right after I filmed this because I saw this last year and I passed him up, and then I was like, dang it, I want it, and then I went back and he was gone. So I was really excited to see this guy. And then they have this little jack-o'-lantern Candyman guy, and I did show this in my last video, but this is a smaller version of him, so I wanted to include him in this video. I absolutely loved this pumpkin, but it was so glittery. This little snake wrapped around it is so pretty, and then I loved the little jewel on his head, and he was $29.99. I was very, very, very tempted to buy this, but I didn't know where I was going to put it. This is $14.99 and it does light up. I really quickly wanted to mention that because I did not get a clip of, I think, the back where the batteries are located. And then they have what I can only assume is Marilyn Monroe, and she is $12.99. And then along with Marilyn Monroe, they also had an Elvis. I did not see this Elvis one last year, but I did see the Marilyn Monroe one. I actually bought her, but then I decided that I don't really care for her and she will be getting donated. And then they had this yoga pose skeleton for $9.99. So these next two signs, I did my best to get close-ups of them. They are $24.99 a piece, and they both light up. I did the little try me button on this sign, but I did not on the second one, just because there was so much stuff in the way and I wasn't going to move all of it. They also had this stack of 3 skulls for $99.99, and all 3 of these skulls' eyes light up. And then they had this gravestone for $179.99, and it does light up and it plays sounds. There was no try me button, at least not that I saw. So I'm not sure exactly where it lights up, but I think it's just in the eyes. I could be wrong. And then I found the Headless Horseman, and I was so excited. I found him last year, but I found him in gold. So when I found him in the black, I was super excited. He ended up going in my cart. I also have a story to tell about where that gold Headless Horseman is going to be going, but really quickly, I wanted to show this pumpkin here. He is $29.99. I showed him in my last video, but I failed to get the price. I couldn't remember, so I wanted to show it again and confirm that he is $29.99. Same with this Witch Hand Snow Globe. I didn't know the price. It is $16.99. And then again, this is another item that I failed to get the price on, and I guessed and I said $14.99, but I was wrong. This is $19.99. All right, so my story. I really quickly want to give a shout out to Kaylee. I met her today at a second HomeGoods that I went to. There will be another HomeGoods walkthrough, and there will be way more items in that video. Kaylee told me that she has been looking for the Headless Horseman for 4 years, and I told her that I had just recently found the Headless Horseman in black and that I had the gold one. So I am gifting the gold one to Kaylee because I just like making other people happy. So shout out to you, Kaylee. I'm so happy that I could help you with the Headless Horseman. Anyways, they had a bunch of spooky blankets here, and I'm actually kind of bummed that I did not purchase one of them. It's a little ways away, but we'll see it here in a second. So this is the blanket that I left without, and I am kind of regretting it. I'm hoping that it will still be at the store the next time I go, because that too will be going into my cart. And then really quickly, I'm just giving you guys a little pan of the aisle, and then there is more that I found behind the cash register, so you will be seeing that here in a second as well. They have this pillar candle holder with 2 snakes intertwined for $12.99. And then they also have this black glitter skeleton for $12.99 as well. And then they had these solid black pumpkins for $12.99. And then right next to these pumpkins, they have this black pumpkin with the skeleton hands wrapped around it for $12.99. And then another black pumpkin with skeleton hands wrapped around it, and these ones glow in the dark. And then they had this animated skull. I do not know what this does. I try not to watch a bunch of other walkthroughs because I don't want it to take away from my experience of seeing things in the store. That's just how I am personally. But it had a pull tab on it, so I don't know what it did, and I didn't want to pull the tab off of it. And then they had these, what I can only assume are alien skeletons, because that's what they look like to me. And then they have this little Boo Ghosty set. And then another alien in gold. And then again, there are a few different quote-unquote animated decor items that had pull tabs, and I just did not want to pull the tab off of them, so I wasn't able to show you what these guys do. But we are nearing the end of the video, so I'm going to go ahead and do my outro now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all the new subscribers that I have gained from my last video. I really deeply, truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I hope to provide you a lot of spooky content on this channel, and I think that's all I really have to say. Oh wait, I really want to talk about these boots really quick. I have never seen a single witch boot before. Isn't that so cute? I may have to get one. Bye guys!